fires and hurricane hearts. I built my home on an old volcano. Look at my hard work coming apart. There's putty and ash all over my halo. And what have I got? And what have I taken? What if I burst my banks and drown this valley again? And I said to my boy on the 21st day, I wonder how long we're gonna be waiting. But there's an old tin bathtub floating this way. It's better than sitting here vegetating. And what have I got? And what have I taken? And what if I burst my banks and drown this valley again? River, I made my peace. I put it to bed. Guess it must have gotten up instead. And there's ragdoll swimmers and furniture boats. There's a cold brown wall that moved into my kitchen. Sailor's coat, holding my dog in my daddy's picture. And what have I got? And what have I taken?